Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about VLSI design process. Okay. The main parts of VSTL program are entity and architecture. Okay. In C program we include header files on the top. Similarly here we include library on the top. Okay. Mainly VSTL program consists of two parts, entity and architecture. Instead of header files, here we include library. Okay. In C programming, in the header files all the functions are defined. Similarly here in the library all the functions are defined. Okay. So in the top we include library, then entity and architecture. Okay. So entity means module. Okay. So in the entity part we declare input output ports or input output pins of the circuit. In the architecture part we define the logic of the circuit or design. Okay. Next, in the VLSI design process there are three types of modeling. One is behavioral modeling, second one is structural modeling, and third one is physical modeling. Okay, behavioral modeling, structural modeling and physical modeling. Okay, so in each domain we have different levels of abstraction. Okay, first level circuit level, next level is logic level, next level is RTL level, next level is system level. System level is the top level, circuit level is the lowest level. Okay, so three types of modeling: behavioral, structural, physical. In each domain we have different levels of abstraction: circuit level, logic level, RTL level and system level. Okay, so here you see behavioral domain. Just we are defining the behavior of the circuit or design. So example for behavioral domain is A is equal to B plus C, B and C, B or C, like that. Okay. Structural means structure of the design. So we have AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate. Okay. So first one is behavior. Okay, just we define behavior of the circuit A and B or A or B, like that. Okay, in the form of logical equation. In the structural domain we have the structure of the circuit. Okay, in the physical domain we have the layout. Okay, in behavioral domain it is in the form of logical equation. Structural domain we have gates. In the physical domain we have layout, final layout. Okay, in each domain we have different levels of abstraction. Okay, circuit level we have transistors, gate level we have gates, next level is RTL register level, some blocks, register A, register B, adder. Okay, next system level, final chip. Okay, so in each domain we have different levels of abstraction. Low level is circuit level, top level is system level. Okay, in the circuit level we have transistors, in the gate level we have gates, in the register level we have registers, adders, etc. Okay, in the system level we have final chip. Okay, final level. Okay, okay, thank you.